Gonna be another hot, dry day today, Jerry.
Yes, sir. You know, we don't ever get more than 10 inches of rainfall out here per year. The Permian Basin depends on groundwater from aquifers, and they're being depleted. As a pistachio farmer, solving the water shortage problem is personal.
We're an oil country. Haven't you also worked in the oil industry?
Yes, sir. And I can tell you that the operators out here have a big problem. For every 1 barrel of oil that's extracted, 5 barrels of wastewater come to the surface. Half of that can be recycled back in the industry, but the other half is being injected downhole into disposal wells. Problem is, the pore space for injection is filling up, and we have earthquakes as a result.
That's why Sunvapor built this pilot desalination plant. We convert 50% of the wastewater into purified water that can be used for agriculture or data center cooling.
You know, I'm excited about learning how to operate this pilot so I can train a new workforce in the oil field for water purification at Southeast New Mexico College. You're a scientist here at Sunvapor. Can you show me how it works?
Let's start with the energy needed to run this process. Data centers are taking up lots of electric grid capacity. Not only that, there's a 7-year backlog on generators. We avoid both of these constraints by using heat instead of electricity.
And your heat comes from concentrated solar energy. That lowers your fuel costs. Makes a lot of sense.
We store heat in this steam accumulator so we can operate after sunset. First, we evaporate the oilfield brine, but an evaporator cannot use all the steam. We patented a process that uses the excess steam for membrane distillation. That way, we double the amount of distillate for the same amount of energy input.
Very clever. So what's the performance?
We reuse the solar steam almost 5 times to distill the raw oilfield water with 130,000 parts per million total dissolved solids. Our purified water only has 400 parts per million total dissolved solids, and the concentrations of ammonia and organics like benzene meet regulatory limits.
The pilot project you have just seen was funded by the Department of Energy's Solar Desalination Prize and an award from the state of New Mexico. NGL Water Solutions Permian has been an essential partner in demonstrating the technology under real-world operating conditions. NGL has committed to supporting the next phase of development.